Approach door unlock, walkaway door lock. Walkaway door lock. Walkaway locking can be enabled or disabled in central information display from settings, vehicle setting, access. Walkaway locking feature locks the vehicle automatically when you exit the vehicle along with the key fob, close the door, and move 2 to 3 meters away from the vehicle. Notice: approach door unlock. Smart approach unlock can be enabled or disabled in central information display from settings, vehicle setting, access. Smart approach unlock automatically unlocks the vehicle when the user approaches the vehicle with a valid key fob and is within the range of 1 meter. Notice: